Hello, thank you for coming back to the channel. Today we're gonna put a design on a candle. And I just bought this cheap candle from the Dollar Tree. It's fresh linen. I wouldn't burn this, so I'm just gonna use this for decorations. And you can print your image on an inkjet, any kind of printer. So what you would need is tissue paper, and I bought the pack of tissue paper. You get like 25, 35 sheets in there for $1.25, and a sheet of paper. And you only need a sheet of paper because my printer won't roll this in just like by itself. So this is what I do. You just line it up. I had cut this out right already to save time, so the video is gonna be so long. So I cut the tissue paper the same size as the paper. Use plain tape, and I tape all four sides down like this. But I go from corner to corner, and you just fold it down like this. And you continue on doing all four sides, and it would end up like this. So I have all four sides taped down, and still got the paper, the regular construction paper, not construction paper, the regular copy paper on the back. So you just run it through. You just size up your image, the size that you want, whatever image you want, the length and the width. And I did that already. And I printed that out like this. I just got a little, I like red anyway, so I just picked the girl with the red dress on there. And I added my name. I'm one of the kids on the channel. There's 2 kids, so this is me right here. So I just I'm gonna cut the middle one out like this. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna melt it on the candle. So I'm just going to take it close as I could get it. So I'm just gonna move this stuff out the way. So you're gonna, you need the scissors to cut this, to tape the stuff down. You need a heat gun, which is right here. You need wax paper, and that's just to cover the candle. So I'm just gonna put this here. I'm just gonna cut this down a little bit more. Like this. I'm just gonna place the image. Like this. I'm just gonna place a piece of wax paper over top, just so it won't go anywhere. My heat safe glove, I don't know where that's at right now, so I'm just gonna put this towel, this washcloth, like this to protect my hands just a little bit. So you just cut it on, and you're just gonna heat the image up. And we're just going to melt the image. And you can see she's melting in there. I'm just going to cut it off. You can tell how she got shiny. So you're just going to take it off. And you can see she's melted on a candle. And here you go. She's ready to go. It's a good little gift. You can use it for, like, put a baby on it, like a baby bear for like baby showers or something like that. So here you go. Here's the finished product, and it has CreationsByKiaa like that. And she's melted in there. Thank you for watching.